Hi, this is Shelly Monet from Luvology. I wanted to also show you these glass bowls. So what I do is I do not use Ziploc bags. We do not use any plastic in this house. We use all the containers, these glass bowls with these lids, and we buy ones with glass lids. And we put all of our food in the pantry in these. They are good for the freezer. They're good to cook food in, and they're for the oven, and they're also good to store food in the refrigerator. We do not use microwaves at all because it nukes your food and kills your nutrients. So I wanted to do one about these containers, okay? Because this is great for storing food, and you want to make your food the freshest as possible. So with everything we get from the grocery store, we actually put it in these glass containers or mason jars to store everything in the pantry. So everything in our house is stored in glass, and we also recycle glass jars that we have that we buy food in, and we use them and we put them in the dishwasher, and then we store food in those as well. So this is better for your health because plastic goes into your food and it's bad for your digestive and for your body. So you also want to do food preservation as best as possible, okay? And also wash the food very well. We soak all our fruits and vegetables from the grocery store in Diatomaceous Earth, food grade, and then we rinse it multiple times in bottled water out of our cooler of the water we get delivered to us, and then we let it drain, and then we store it in these glass containers for all the fruits and vegetables and all the berries and all of that, and they last for like 2 weeks. So it is important to get all the pesticides off your food and store them. This is also for your mental health as well, feeling great. You have to eat good food and you have to store good food. So this is Shelly Monet from Luvology, and I hope you liked the video, and thank you for watching.